Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check data usage details in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. So at first just swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. After that scroll down, then go to connections. From here just go to data usage option, and that's it. Now from here you can check your data usage details. Now if you have two SIM cards in your phone, then you can check your data usage details separately. From here you can check your SIM 1 data usage, and from here you can check your SIM 2 data usage. You can see over the last month I am almost used 500 megabyte of mobile data, and you can check yours from here. Also if I scroll down and just tap your data usage, from here you can check your app wise data usage, and that's it. And that is how you can check mobile data usage in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.